The very first time when I met you, you were the loving bear I know. You were my mommy's favorite pet, as much as our Zoe. You give me company each day, my foodie monster friend. I'll always say you're funny, you're watching me and Stinky. I know how much you love to eat, and when I sneak you something, I get a smile. You will always be my bear. I feel some emptiness today. I still find it hard to believe that you have crossed the rainbow bridge. I truly miss you, Babear. I try to find a little comfort that you're not now in pain. Run free, my little buddy, now that you are in heaven. Enjoy the food you always want. Now you can play forever, much as you can. You are now with God, Babear. You will always be remembered. We will miss you